Let's learn phrasal verb. Lace with. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb, lace with.
Misturar com, acrescentar algo a, contaminar com, reforçar ou enriquecer com.
Not an in history of lace, with some gestures showing how it was used.
So you have to equate the lace with really fine jewelry in order.
Rather than using bobbins, women make buranos beautiful lace with only
short version of a Queen Anne's lace with a very beautiful white flower. Lars Rendell
talking about. It is a little square of lace with trimmed edges, and the background of it is
an old lace with the original Broadway cast.
Sort of interlaced with the music.
They fasten at the back with a single lace. As you can see here, this
Lace with herbs for richer flavors during every family dinner tonight. The chef laced every soup with fragrant fresh garden herbs carefully. She laced the tea with fresh mint leaves before serving everyone. The baker laced sweet bread with delicious cinnamon before baking carefully. They laced hot chocolate with creamy vanilla for extra delightful taste. Someone laced his drink with dangerous chemicals during the crowded festival. Criminals lace the candy with poison, causing serious public concern everywhere. Police discovered criminals laced beverages with illegal drugs at parties yesterday. Authorities warned tourists about alcohol laced with harmful substances abroad recently. Investigators confirmed food laced with toxins endangered many innocent families unexpectedly. Her speech was laced with humor, making everyone laugh continuously together. His explanation, laced with sarcasm, confused every listener inside the classroom. The novel was laced with mystery, keeping readers interested until ending. Their conversation, laced with kindness, encouraged nervous newcomers throughout difficult moments. Every chapter laced with suspense increased readers' excitement until final revelation. Let's learn slang. He was going off during the argument and nobody could calm him down. She was showing out at the party with her amazing dance moves. He came back acting brand new after getting promoted at work. Stop frontin' and admit that you really like the idea. She is keeping tabs on the project to make sure everything goes well. I am checking in with my family every weekend. My friend will be popping in later to say hello. They were rolling deep when they arrived at the concert together. That company has deep pockets and can afford expensive investments. This new smartphone is heavy with features that make life easier. That necklace looks like solid gold and extremely valuable. Buying that house was a smart money move for their future. Starting a new business is a big move that requires courage. Learning from experts was a pro move that helped him succeed. Ignoring the instructions was a rookie move for an experienced worker. The mistakes during the presentation felt like amateur hour. You think you will become famous overnight? Dream on. Fair warning, this road can be dangerous at night. Heads up, the meeting time has changed to the afternoon. Mark my words, this team will become successful someday. Calling it now, she will win the competition this year. I will never forget this moment, period. She deserves respect, period. The evidence is clear, case closed. He solved the problem quickly and said boom. He finished the performance and walked away with a mic drop moment. I hate long meetings. Tell me about it. That restaurant is expensive and crowded. I know, right? Everyone wants to work there, but couldn't be me. I experienced that problem before, been there. I tried that restaurant once, done that. I agree with your opinion. Same here. We finished everything we needed. That's a wrap.